You guys want to be in YouTube? No? Okay. Alright. Bro, just fucking blew stop sign.
Hello, it's been a while. I know, yes, it's been a month. I've been busy and depressed. No, I'm joking. But on this last month, I kind of just been taking things slow and off the grid, not hanging out with a lot of people, not talking to people, just kind of on my own. Got a job, been doing that. That's keeping me busy now. And kind of settling back down again, so I'm gonna continue maybe making some more videos in the future. But yeah, so this last week, I wanted to make a video about me installing some new parts in my car, and I was gonna show it to you. However, my dumbass, unfortunately, deleted it. How? Don't ask me. I don't know. I thought I was doing the right things, but it turns out I was deleting everything. I had nothing left of the footage. It was a different footage that I got mixed up with that I already did for a video. So yeah, I could not retrieve it, unfortunately. I tried to, but I couldn't. So I'm just gonna make a video of telling you how I installed some parts on this car and did some work on it. So yay, we'll try that instead. So a couple of weeks ago, when I was driving around, I heard this really loud noise coming out of my car. It sounded like plastic and glass shattering off. Pulled over quickly, stepped outside, looked over to my right side marker light, and unfortunately it was missing. And there was like barely nothing left of the light bulb and nothing else left of the side marker. So I quickly walked back to the road and found almost nothing except this guy right here. So that's all I found. I could not find the rest of the pieces, and that was my sign to actually fix this side marker. So I went on the internet to try to order some new ones of this kind here again, but then I found something else better, and I will show it to you in a sec here. Found that, I ordered up, and so as you saw, there is the new ones I got were smoked LED side marker lights. One thing I was disappointed is that it said it was sequential, but it's not sequential. It just turns on whenever I turn the car on. Yeah, it was a pretty cheap, they're plastic, pretty cheap ones, but they look good. They finally make the car look good again. As you know, the reason why it actually happened in the first place is because the clips on the side markers, I took them off a couple of times and unfortunately I lost them. I remember when I was doing a BI last year, I got this. I had to switch this to a amber one, and when I did, I lost a clip, and I found one of them, which is right here, but the other three on the back are lost. So with this new ones, they came, or automatically came with its new clips, so I kind of put it on and finally is able to stay. It won't fall out. It was worse on the right side because the right side actually has popped out a couple of times before it finally caught on the wheel. A couple of times I've seen it happen and I just put it back in and let it be, but that one time, the third time that it finally popped out, and I guess caught under the wheel and just yeah, it came off. Luckily nothing else came off other than the side marker, so we were good on that part. Yeah, so we kind of installed that. It's very easy. It's just, yeah, 3 clips on the back. You pop it out, twist it, take out the side marker, the light bulb, and the rest of the cord is there. You kind of put in a new one, slap it back on. But as I was browsing around, I decided to not just get the side markers, but get something else as well. So most of my lights on my car are basically LED, and all that was left that was not LED were the license plate lights. So I went on Amazon and kind of found another cheap LED lights, and I installed that, which was pretty easy. It was really cool because I never knew that piece in the back of the trunk comes out. So there's a little piece there, and there's bolts, 4 bolts holding it, 1 to hold down the actual piece itself, and 2 to hold down the key to open the trunk, and then another one for the other components. Pretty easy, pops out. You take out the lights, put on the new ones, connect them back up, bolt them back on again. It's pretty easy. You take out a piece underneath the trunk as well, so you can reach it from underneath for all those bolts. One thing I said in that video that I got deleted was the last time I took off that little piece under the trunk 4 years ago when we were putting on the backup camera lights, and yeah, so it's kind of nostalgic in a way, but not really. So I kind of did that. That took like less than an hour. Finished that up, checked that out. I haven't actually got any pics in dark, so maybe now I will get some pictures in the dark with the lights on it and everything. So we'll hopefully do that for this week's video. This is kind of recording that part. Then I cleaned out the car, cleaned the interior, cleaned the exterior. It's been 4 days since then, so it's back to being dirty. insides, it's okay. I just need to quickly wipe out, and that's really it. So honestly, to keep this car clean in Saskatoon, it's crazy because it's been raining crazy, and then it's hot on most of the other days. Like right now it's hot, and it was like plus 30, over 30 degrees Celsius last week, which was why I wanted to make this video in the first place. It was so hot, and yeah, it's finally picking up here in Saskatoon. In July, finally the heat wave is here, and the weird weather of raining and hotness. And one thing I wanted to do last week that I didn't get to do actually, so I didn't actually record it, so I guess that's okay, was I was gonna go outside after installing all those parts. I was gonna go outside and to the community, because on Friday when I went out there was a lot of cars everywhere, so I wish I would have recorded then. So I thought I'll go on Saturday. So I tried going on Saturday, but it started raining like crazy and no one came out. So that didn't really work out. So hopefully this weekend I'll be able to go out and record, maybe see who's out there, maybe for like an hour or so. Otherwise, yeah, I don't really know what else to do. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention when I was telling about how I installed the parts is I also took out the Toyo tire stickers, because it was about time, because they were just very worn out, dirty, and some of them were just falling off, and it just looked bad. From far away it looked good, but from close up it just looked terrible. And right now the car, if you can see, which you probably can't, is very black. Like it's stiff, the tire and everything. It's shiny because I put the tire shine on it, so it looks shiny. But yeah, look, it looks bland, you know. That is cool. So hopefully next month I'll be able to put the Toyo tire stickers back on again, some brand new ones, and go from there. Going out into the wilderness with the car, people, and you can already see there's a meetup right over here. Probably with some friends hanging out. If you can see, there's an R34, some bikes, and some other some nice cool cars. It's a tunnel, which I did not pop because I don't want to. In A Street you will find a lot of cars, some cool, some not cool. I don't know, this is kind of really it. Last week I was actually supposed to record this, but it was raining like crazy, so no one came out. So today is a Friday night. See if anyone's out. See if we can get some pictures, videos. Jesus fuck. He's not going to speed limit here. Wow. Yeah, my car already dirty. It's been 4 days since the last time I washed it. Well, kind of cleaned it and shit, and it's dirty again. God damn it, this Chevy Cruze is going really slow. That's funny. Oh shit, oh shit. That's it. That's all we have today. There's not a lot of people. Say hi to YouTube. I'm joking. Alright, we're live. Oh, I gotta turn on my car. Hold up, hold up. Yo! What's up? It's my buddy. That's the Civic guy.
guys want to be in YouTube? No? Okay. Alright. BRZ 0. Please turn green. Please turn green. Please turn green. Yes. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's enough. Did you see there was Anthony in the truck? In the red truck. With my friend Anthony in the truck. Yeah. And then that Civic right there. That's, yeah, so I was trying to like, that's why I was being loud. I'm like, you know what, bitch, take this. Yo, what's up? Hello? Hello?
I just saw you on H.
Yeah, that was me. Me on H. Let's see. Gunshots, go. Fast, 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 fast. And then let's see it. Is it here? Is it here? Let's see. Oh, there it is. That is so cool. Okay, so the party's on already. So, fuck, Saskatoon in summertime is low-key kind of wild. Okay, we made it. We made it. Oh, that's cool. Look at that shit. I gotta record that shit. I'll put it in a clip of it later. Bro, just fucking blew stops. What the fuck? Gone it pops. There's people here. You see that? The road? Block party? Yeah. Hold up. Okay, that's good. They're just mosquitoes fucking right in my face. So now we're driving to get bug spray so we can fucking survive. Let's go shit. Bro, what the fuck? What are you trying to fool, man?
Was built right 3 years ago.
What?
This is gonna be built right there tonight.
Oh my god. That's crazy. Oh bro, you're like lubed up and shit.